Phoenix will start us off. Phoenix will start us off.
Bam, bam, bam.
NTA Gustavo.
But the point works. It works.
Hello, hello. Here we are at the Great Hall of the City College of New York campus, celebrating the amazing closing ceremony for Fall 25 semester. Come check this out. We have amazing posters in recognition of the outstanding work our scholars have given. We thank the families, the educators, and everyone else for joining us today on this special day. Don't miss to see the posters, to be amazed by the work of our scholars.
Bill de Blasio, he approved for that. But since then, it hasn't been, although it has intervened in over 1,700 overdoses, it hasn't been helping the overall community. Instead, it became a hospital.
And in this project, I combined circles, ellipses, parabolas, a straight line, and circles. The reason I chose this idea of a project
And efficacy of different wire types in orthodontic treatment. In reality, orthodontists have to consider the price of materials. Nickel titanium wires are significant.
Hello, hello. Here we are at the fun part of the STEM Institute Fair, where they are doing competitions and STEM challenges. On my left, we have the paper cup challenge. The winner of the group winner who stocks the most paper cups is going to win a prize today, but they have to build an amazing structure and maybe that can support some weights. So if you want to see what we have, come by. Let's see the different groups. So here we have the architecture class working on some structure that looks like the Empire State. But they have to stop stacking cups and make something that can hold a little bit of weight. Let's see, Joe. Here's Joe, the director of the STEM program. What do you think about this STEM fair?
The students are really engaged in teamwork and trying to present things that work together.
We have other challenges taking place as well. We have a build a robot hand. Do you see that one?
So the mousetrap.
Okay.
They're building the mousetrap.
Yeah. How do you think about the mousetrap?
Excellent.
Where?
They're going to be testing it around 2 o'clock.
Yes.
The
Perfect.
bridge building ones are up there.
Yes.
Bridge building, the building.
Yes, so the bridge building is taking place, so we're gonna show you later what we have. So please, if you wanna be part of this amazing experience, join the STEM Institute for the Spring 2026. Okay. Oh, this is really great.
Let's get the chair down. It helps.
They all come up with very creative designs. We think that the structural ones are the ones that are going to win because those are the ones that one of the key ingredients in the evaluation.
It's hilarious, but the point works. It works.
It works! Yay! Congratulations, guys!
Thank you.
All right!
Bam, 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 bam.
It's a little slow, but it's getting there.
Classrooms. But now you also see all the extra work that they've been putting in, and all the things that they did outside the classroom. This is not because it's part of the classroom, it's just outside. You can get learn in class, try to put it into some practical use of the art. So you saw all the bosses that were being put together. I was just a dream. It was just a dream.